Okay. So what we do? I have 2 lines. You can do it on that.
Unknown 2 is a plant cell.
Yeah, but don't we need to say why?
That's on evidence.
Yeah, no, I'm saying, well, like, are we gonna do claim, evidence, and reasoning one at a time?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, wait, unknown 1 is plant, right?
Yeah. No, unknown 1 is animal. Unknown 2,
Oh, I was
plant.
Unknown 3
So what I would suggest doing, guys, let's see, so
is plant.
I would probably put all of it together. So if you're doing unknown 1, I would just put the claim, evidence, and reasoning all under unknown 1 in your notebook. And then go to unknown 2, and then do claim, evidence, reasoning through it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. This is why I say a little more organized.
Okay, so we got the claim for unknown 1. Evidence. Okay.
I'm gonna have to, I need to erase this real quick.
I'm gonna put it a little smaller.
Me too.
Evidence. It's a pink and purple cell, which I believe is a nucleus and ribosomes. It has a nucleus. Has a nucleus and ribosomes.
Okay, so, wait, so I do unknown? Wait, number 1.
Unknown 1, it's an animal cell, we think. And the evidence, it's got, I think, a nucleus and ribosomes.
Is an animal
You want that down?
cell. Sorry. Is an animal cell because
Well, they both have a nucleus and ribosomes. Trying to find something that they don't have in common with a plant cell.
Okay, because I think because the
Okay, hold on.
okay, so I think oh man, oh no it didn't.
Do it again.
It's supposed to be like that.
Unknown 1.
I know it's like evidence. I have no idea.
Will any of them be a prokaryotic cell, like this one, or is it just one?
They are all eukaryotic.
No, I mean like the prokaryotic. Just
Right, they are all eukaryotic.
oh, okay.
So they're all either plant or animal cells.
Yes, sir.
Circles like these. Ribosomes are like dots, and these are like actual circles right here, just like on this picture.
And then that's purple has to be a.
These are back. How do you say that?
What? Vacuole.
Okay, it's either a vacuole
Like vacuum, but vacuole.
or a nucleus. I think it's a vacuole.
What number are you looking at? What unknown?
So wait, can we all see it from like right here? So everyone can see it.
And
Alright guys, what are y'all thinking?
That last one, we thought it was a nucleus for the animal cell because it looks like a little purple thing. It's like that purple nucleus right there, and then inside of this purple thing that's around.
Okay, so are you comparing it because it's the same color, or because it looks like the same structure?
it looks the same structure.
There you go. Okay. Okay, that's good. Just make sure you put that in your evidence. I'm sorry, your reasoning. Your reasoning.
I'm a reasoning.
Okay. So have y'all started your claims?
What's the claim again?
Your claim is what you believe. Okay, so So you guys as a group need to decide if unknown 1, 2, 3, and 4 are plant and animal cells.
Yeah, we wrote like on this end.
Okay. So on a fresh sheet of paper though for me, go ahead and write like unknown 1, put claim, evidence, reasoning.
We just put it on one sheet of paper.
That's fine, but I want you to go on another sheet of paper.
Oh, okay.
So it's not all jumbled up, mess. So that one's fine.
I think this is pretty good.
I know, but if you start adding more stuff to it, it may become a mess. Yeah.
So this is called reasoning?
It's claim, evidence, reasoning. So CER. Okay, so pretty much what I want you to do is write everything on your paper before you start writing on your poster. Okay?
And that's a vegetable.
So what are y'all thinking?
Well, I'm trying to figure out what this one is.
Okay. So what leads you to believe it's an animal cell?
It has these look like nucleus. These look like the nucleus.
Okay.
And these look like ribosweights, but I don't know.
So do y'all think this is one whole cell though? Or do you think it's maybe several mini cells?
1, 2,
You have to count.
I think it's a lot of like small cells.
Okay. So if it's a lot of small cells, then we probably shouldn't, decide if it's plant or animal based off of one thing that you see.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
So decided on that.
So I will say there are 2 different cells, okay, in that picture right there. Okay. So I want you to look at the pictures individually. I will say this. They're 2 different cells, but they're both either plant or animal. Okay. So just make sure if you decide it's plant or animal, that you provide evidence for the red circles that you see and then the purple circles that you see.
Yes.
Okay.
See, for this one, we think that it would be a plant cell because it kind of looks like a leaf.
Okay.
Because it has like rhizomes, and these look like little things on the leaf from the inside of the arms. But for this one, they said that it was a plant.
Okay, so you said it looks like a leaf, but we can't really use leaf as our evidence.
Yes. So
Okay. So instead of saying it looks like a leaf, what can we say?
it looks like a
Like a what? But why does it look like a plant cell? What does it have? I know it's green, so we kind of want to be quick to say, oh, it's a plant cell, right? But we can't just base off the color or what we think it looks like, okay? What we can look at is the structures that we know for a fact what they are, okay? So plant cells normally have a different structure and shape than animal cells, so that could be a part of your reasoning or your evidence. But also, there's these little green dots inside, okay, just like picture number 2. So what do you think those little green dots are?
rhizomes.
It looks like that one and that one and that one.
Maybe.
That one's like
Well, this kind of looks a little bit similar to that because there's a little dot in the middle right there, and then the little things in the middle right there.
because that might be a nucleus.
Okay. But both plants and animals have nuclei, right?
Yeah.
So we can't really use that, can we? No. But think about this. What are the things that plant cells have that animal cells do not have?
Plant cells have cells.
They do have cell walls. What else do they have that animal cells don't have? It's in your notes too. So y'all look at that and see what the other structure is, and maybe you can relate that into your evidence and reasoning. Alright guys, how we doing? Anybody need any assistance or help? Guidance? Check. I can't tell you what it is, but I can check.
No, we're done with our CR.
Oh, got it.
I'm trying to sum it up better than she did.
Oh, sum it up better.
Yeah.
There's mine, and we all just kind of the same thing.
Okay. So Anna, how about you read it for me?
Like the claim.
Alright. Just go ahead and read all of it.
So, we believe that unknown 1 and unknown 4 are animal cells, and unknown 2 and unknown 3 are plant cells. Our evidence is animal cells have smaller vacuoles, whereas the plant cells have one large vacuole.